If chemical tankers are not thoroughly cleaned before new fuel is loaded, there can be an operational issues and expensive delays. At TECO Chemicals, we understand that completely. With top quality and internationally certified cleaning chemicals, we ensure efficiency, result, and environmental safety. TECO Chemicals is experienced in the game-changing DPP to CPP conversion process. Our turnkey solutions include demucking, deslopping, tank inspection, supercargo services, and remote cleaning. We can help vessels to rapidly switch from dirty to clean petroleum products with our expert advice using IMO certified chemicals. Our flexibility that can help you win bigger charter and contracts, greater profits with greater sustainability. This is the TECO promise.